For years, we were told fruit was nature's dessert, a guilt-free treat from the Garden of Eden. But what if that shiny apple wasn't so innocent, and more of a metabolic Trojan horse? Welcome back to the Vegan Repair Kit, where we peel back the lies, and occasionally roast a papaya-fueled influencer along the way. Fructose, the sugar found in fruit, isn't just sweet. It's a metabolic mischief maker linked to fatty liver, insulin resistance, and an expanding waistline. Yes, even when it's natural. Unlike glucose, your muscles can't touch fructose. It's all dumped on your liver like Paul Saladino's latest mango delivery. Modern fruit isn't ancestral. It's agricultural candy. Today's apples, grapes, and mangoes have been bred to contain more sugar than a scoop of gelato. If you're calling a banana low sugar, you've been bamboozled by botany. And if your breakfast looks like a jungle fruit stand, you might need a gentle reality check. Want real, steady energy without the blood sugar fireworks? Think fatty beef, eggs, and a sprinkle of salt. No fructose, no crashes, no mango madness, just stable insulin, mental clarity, and a fridge that doesn't double as a fruit basket. They say fruit helps you poo. But let's be honest, so does coffee and panic. Bloating, gas, cravings. These are the fruit fiber side effects no one puts on the label. And yet thousands of carnivores are reporting better bowel movements without a single berry in sight. Turns out, your gut doesn't need a kiwi to function. Just stop inflaming it. If fruit has fooled you, don't worry. It fooled all of us. Even the pineapple pushers on Instagram. Hit subscribe for the next episode of the Vegan Repair Kit. Share your most ridiculous health fruit story in the comments and reclaim your metabolic sanity at compositionconsultant.com. Next week, oat milk, the white lie. Spoiler, it's not the latte love story you thought it was.
In a world where strength defines legends, unleash your inner legend. Join the carnivore muscle movement today.